After our consultation with Mel, we've decided that our hair is going to be perfect for the SEASTRAIGHT line. The Lauga SEASTRAIGHT products are designed perfectly to work in synergy with one another to give smoothness and straightness to the hair. Using these products over a period of time, the more you use them, the more the hair will remember the products and keep the hair straighter and smoother for longer. This product transforms unruly hair, and after only one use, you will see visible, softer, shinier, and smoother results. We're now going to use the SEASTRAIGHT Ampoule. Before using the ampoule spray, it is important that you warm the bottle with water first. The warming of the bottle will jumpstarts the hair's healing process. It's a highly intensive treatment, protecting the hair by placing a film over the top to prevent split ends, resulting in soft, silky and glossy hair.